Are you someone who receives Sassa grant? Then stay tuned because I'll be sharing with you Sassa payments grant for the whole year and also for 2026. Grants distributed by Sassa is Older Persons Pension Grant, Disability Grant, War Veterans Grant, Care Dependency Grant, Foster Child Grant, Child Support Grant, Grant in Aid, and Social Relief of Distress Grant known as the 350. Hi guys, welcome to Elevate Your Career with Coco. Thank you so much for being here. In today's video, I'll be taking you through the Sassa grant payment dates for the whole year and the year of 2026. So please stay tuned because I'll be telling you all the details, all about the increase for the whole year and also for next year. So make sure that you're updated about everything, and if you're interested, stay tuned. For April 2025, older persons on the 2nd of April, disability on the 3rd of April, children's grant on the 4th of April. For May 2025, older persons on the 6th of May, disability on the 7th of May, children on the 8th of May. For June 2025, older persons on the 3rd of June, disability on the 4th of June, children on the 5th of June. July 2025, older persons grant on the 2nd of July, disability on the 3rd of July, and children's grant on the 4th of July. August 2025, older persons grant on the 5th of August, disability grant on the 6th of August, children's grant on the 7th of August. September 2025, older persons grant on the 2nd of September, disability grant on the 3rd of September, children's grant on the 4th of September. October 2025, older persons grant on 2nd of October, disability grant on the 3rd of October, children's grant on the 4th of October. November 2025, older persons grant on the 4th of November, disability grant on the 5th of November, children's grant on the 6th of November. December 2025, older persons grant on the 2nd of December, disability grant on the 3rd of December, children's grant on the 4th of December. The year 2026. January 2026, older persons grant 6 January, disability grant 7 January, children's grant 8 January. The February 2026, older persons grant 3rd February, disability grant 4th February, children's grant 5th February. March 2026, older persons grant 3 March, disability grant 4 March, children's grant 5th March. SRD grant payments are usually paid during the last week of the month when verifications have been done and checked. So guys, it is important to always make sure that your dates are always updated. Every information, your cell phone number, your card details, always make sure that they are up to date and they are updated so that you don't miss out on any notification that is sent to your phone, maybe about the increase, maybe about anything important that they have to communicate to you. You can fetch your Sassa grant at any store like ShopRite or Boxer. Here are the amounts after the increase that you will be receiving. Older persons grant above under 75 will increase with 120 and it is going to be 2,310. Older persons grants over 75 is going to increase with 120. It's going to be 2,330. Disability grant 120. It's going to be 2,310. War Veterans grant 120. It's going to be 2,330. Care dependency grant is going to increase with 120. It's going to be 2,310. Foster child care grant is going to increase with 70. It's going to be 1,250. Child support grant is going to increase with 30 rand plus 10 rand, which is going to be 560 plus 280. Grant in aid is going to increase with 30 rand, which is going to be 560. These are the increase. The old age grant, war veterans grant, disability grant, and care dependency will receive an increase in October of 10 rand in October. And the SRD grant won't receive any increase and will remain as 370. I hope that you are now updated, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, mostly please do not forget to subscribe. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers and I am happy to say we are on 940 now. That is much better. Only 60 people left for me to get to the the real 1000 subscribers. But thank you so much for everyone who's subscribing, for everyone who's genuinely here because they want to be here. Thank you so much. I love you and I appreciate you and I see you. And thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope you enjoyed the whole video and I hope all this information was very relevant to you. At least you are updated about what will be happening throughout the year of 2025 and half of the year of 2026, and you don't have to worry much about anything. So I hope you enjoy and thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.